Hi, Parisian vibe.
Salut Parisian vibe.
Hi, my name is Camille. It's Mathilde Labat.
Je m'appelle Lucille, je suis actrice.
We're here in Paris. I live in Paris, where I live and where I was born. Today, I'm showing you
What's in my bag?
what's in my bags. Hi, my name is Camille. I'm 32 years old. I live in Paris and I manage the Comité Jacqueline Marvel, which is an art organization dedicated to Jacqueline Marvel. Today, I'm showing you what's in my bag. I love this place because you can choose your own music and you can play whatever you like. So this is the very heavy bag. I've actually had it forever. I bought it more than 10 years ago when I was studying fashion management and history. And I traveled with it so much that I had to recently get it renovated. It was in a very bad condition, but I'm very happy with the result now. I added a little charm thing. So this is actually a bracelet from Shush that I wear in the summer, but in the winter I prefer it on the bag. Those belong to my boyfriend. He had a Secret Santa at his office, and I just loved it so much that I stole it. So what's in the bag now? First, I have those ear things to listen to music and podcasts. I'm always on the go, going from one side of Paris to another. So I use those all the time. Then what do I have? I have this hand cream. I have a bunch of them, one in every bag, I think. This one. Sorry. So this hand cream, which is almost empty, but I'm gonna use it till the last drop. Then I have sunglasses, one pair. I think there should be another one in here that I really, really, really love. Those are Gentle Monsters. I have a bunch of them, but I always end up wearing those, actually. I have my cards. I also have a little picture of my fiancé and I in here, which I keep very close to me at all times. Then I have this book, which is more of a work thing. This is the artist that I work to promote. I work mostly with my brother Lucien now, and my father as well. And we had this book published a little bit more than a year ago to tell her story and to show a part of her work, especially alongside the ones she did for the Théâtre des Champs-Élysées. So that's about Jacqueline Marvel. And then I also have another book which is more personal. This one is about yoga spirits. I'm obsessed with yoga. I started when I was 16 years old. Some years I do more than others, but since the COVID, I think I've been really, really into it. And I'm all about the philosophy of yoga as well. So this is something that I try to read as much as possible to stay connected to it. Then, of course, living in Paris, I have an umbrella that's non-negotiable. And I also have those little gloves that my mom got me. I love them because they are so cute. They have like little eyes. Then I also have my reading and working glasses that I mostly use for work when I'm in front of my computer all day, but also if I go see an art exhibition and I need to see the painting really in detail. I also have this tarot that I got in Ibiza. I am obsessed with Ibiza. I go every year in the north of the island where it's very all about, resting and nature. And I got this tarot over there in my favorite restaurant, actually. And I just love to, sometimes during the day, for me or for my friends, just pick a card and see what it says, what it could be for the day, for the week, whatever, just for your mood. So if I pick any one of them, Les Castagnettes. This one is about love and positive partnerships. So, sounds good, right? I always have random bags of tea in my purse. This one is matcha and turmeric, which I love because it's very anti-inflammatory and I try to be very healthy at the start of the year. Then I have my little business cards. that I can show you. This is actually the first letter of Marvel's signature. So this is the M, and my brother actually made those. I have my little makeup safety kit, which is probably almost only lip products because I'm obsessed with them. But I also have this blush and highlighter that I love. I'm so obsessed with it. You can see it, like there's not much left of it. But it's a really, really good product. Doesn't even close anymore. And I have, yes, a lot of different lip products. I don't know how many, honestly. But they're all like so good. This one, I think it's my favorite. It's the famous supermodel or something. This Refi one, I use for the day a lot. I just put it on my lids and then on my cheeks as well. This one with its really lovely packaging and a mirror with my name engraved. Oh yes, I have more things here. I have this gua sha that I actually just got. I used to have the, how do you say, the quartz ones, but the problem with those is when I travel, I always end up breaking them, and so I figured this one will last me quite a while. And I just love it. I do it every morning, and it's really changing the face, I feel like. Then I have earrings, which are very convenient when you just go from, from the office to a dinner party, whatever. It's the Mary Poppins bag. I still have some things in there. Yes, then I also have this Cut by Fred hair serum, which is amazing. I have very dry hair, and this is amazing because you just put the tiniest drop, and then it's really good because I have naturally wavy, very, very dry hair. So this is my very good friend, and the smell is amazing. Lastly, I also have this Eau de Beauté by Caudalie, which again is nearly empty, which is the proof that it's a good product that I really enjoy. I think I have a tiny bit left of it. It's just the best smell. I just love the feeling. It's really relaxing as well. And voila, I think we're done. I just have the little mirror that's left, and that's what's in my bag. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.
Hi, Parisian Vibe. It's Mathilde Labat. We're here in Paris, where I live and where I was born. I've got a few passions in life, including fashion, travel, and horses. And I actually own horses. I've got 2 horses, one white pony and one mare. They're both near Paris, so I ride them every day. And I'm gonna show you today what's in my bags. Well, I got that bag a year and a half ago. It's from Camille Roux, so it's a French brand, and I chose it in brown because I always wear black leather, but I wanted something different. It's practical because you can put a lot of stuff in it, and I always have a lot of stuff to carry with me around. Let's see what we have in it. So I've got AirPods. They're really old. I think they're 4 or 5 years old now. I had the new ones, but I lost them. I forgot them on the plane, so they're not with me anymore, but I've got the old one. Winnie the Pooh or the Pooh? The Winnie the Pooh with the Winnie the Pooh case. Then I've got keys with me all the time, and this tag to find it easily in the bag. After that, this basic. Sometimes I actually put it on the bag directly, but it's just always useful when you go to the gym, when you go to the stables, when you go around. At the end of the day, you want to have it with you. Wallet. I think it's also Camille Roux, but blue, because same, I like color. I mean, you can tell. So I wanted something colorful that I could put in my bag and find easily. Sunscreen. I always carry sunscreen with me because, you want to protect your skin from UVs in Paris too, and pollution, so always have a stick of sunscreen. This is like this, so it's practical and you can put it all day long, even if it's not always sunny here. I've got a pen. I've got one pen, always useful. a big, basic model. I've got this thing. It's champagne toast antibacterial gel. Always have one on me, because when you take the metro with this great card, you've got to use it before eating, before going out, and all day long. And it smells like, well, it does not smell like champagne, but it smells good. And it's from Bath & Body Works. I've got gums. It's my favorite one, strawberry, because it's not like mint, because you can have mint everywhere. So it's strawberry because like it tastes good and it smells good, and you can just have it here or in any bags, and it fits everywhere, even in your pockets. Then we go to the lip section, because I've got one little pink Vaseline for lips. It's just like lip balm, practical, smells good, good taste too. So it's really useful, but it's not the only one I have, because I've got another one that is actually, that's horse balm for horse care. So it was made for horses, and that's the small sample size that you get on the shows or events, but it's actually really useful as a lip balm too, because it's just the same transparent that I use on my lips and the big one for my pony, because he also have lip balm. And then the best lip combo I can find would be this one. I always put lip gloss I wear every day, but so I usually have like 10 of these. But today I only have one. I've got a Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil and Gucci gloss that matches with it. So I think that's, oh no, some candies too. Always have some candies around. So that's all of my stuff. And now let's move on with the horses stuff, because, well, they're big babies, so you've got a lot of care with them. And the first thing is gonna be candy too. It's horse candy, but it looks really good. It's horses donuts. It's so cute. So I've got horses donut with me. It tastes good. I tried it myself. It's sugary and crunchy. I think it's like a Valentine's Day collection with like pink and purple. And I also always have with me an apple. It's so random, but you can have it for lunch, after lunch, and you can bring it to the stable. So always carry an apple with you in your horse's bag. Just balm that you can use everywhere. It's from, I think, Belgium. I swear it's the best one. You can put it on little wounds, or if they scratches themselves, you can put it to grow the hair of the horse back. I mean, they love massage. I mean, who doesn't? So I've got special brushes. I sometimes let them at the stables and I bring them to wash them every week and then bring them back with me. So it's just massage brushes that I think you can also use it on cats or dogs, because it's super soft and you can just massage the horse or the pony with it. It's from Germany. And to go with that one, I've got the soft brush that is for a shiny coat, just like hair. So you brush your horse with that, it's super soft, and it's just, they love it, and it removes dust easily. I mean, there's some dust now. And to finish with the horse care, they've got hair detangler, because you want them to have a super shiny hair and coat, so you just use that. And I sometimes actually use it myself, because it smells actually really, really good. It's the best detangler you can find for horses. You can smell it, it smells really good. So it's from Germany, and it's just basic detangler for growing and shiny coat and hair for horses. Yeah, I've got gloves too, but I've got navy gloves to ride horses, because you want to keep your hands protected from the sun. And these ones are not the winter ones, because they're quite thin, but they work well when it's cold, especially now. That's it, me and my horse's bag. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!
Salut Parisian Vibe, je m'appelle Lucille, je suis actrice et aujourd'hui je vais vous montrer What's in my bag. Donc ça c'est mon sac, c'est un sac Copernic que j'aime beaucoup, beaucoup trop, j'arrive pas à mettre autre chose et il a l'air très petit mais on peut mettre plein de choses dedans. Donc je vais vous montrer ce qu'il y a dedans. J'ai joué le jeu à fond, je n'ai pas changé ce qu'il y avait dedans, c'est mes indispensables de tous les jours. Je sais même pas vraiment tout ce qu'il y a dedans en vrai. Donc voilà, bon bah go. Alors, mon porte-monnaie, qui est un porte-monnaie champion, classique, avec tout ce qu'il faut dedans. Voilà, toutes mes cartes. J'ai toujours un carnet sur moi. carnet classique parce que j'ai toujours des trucs à écrire. J'écris des films, donc dès que j'ai des idées, je les note dedans. Pareil, j'écris des poèmes parfois, donc quand je me pose au café toute seule, je le remplis, j'écris des poèmes. Et j'ai un petit stylo qui est un stylo Nespresso, voilà, fait en capsule de café recyclé. C'est mon piment. Celle-ci, Sriracha, elle est fumée. C'est pas ma préférée. Elle est pas faux folle, mais j'ai toujours du piment sur moi. Je peux pas manger sans piment. Ah ouais, addict total. Donc voilà, Tabasco, Sriracha. Ma mère, elle en fait aussi du très bon, mais là, j'en ai plus. Voilà. Ensuite, un petit baume à lèvres Givenchy qui fait peur, qui est noir, mais il s'adapte à la couleur naturelle de tes lèvres. Incroyable. Super. Et dans la gamme Givenchy, j'ai aussi mon baume à lèvres teinté. Je suis pas très maquillage, mais je suis très lèvres. Rouge à lèvres, baume à lèvres teinté, mon petit truc. J'ai un miroir qui est crade à la mort, Claudie, toujours pratique. Mes écouteurs, indispensables. AirPods Pro, toujours besoin de la musique dans les oreilles, des podcasts aussi. Je suis fan de podcasts, j'adore ça. J'aime bien les podcasts sur la santé. Donc j'adore Addiction, qui est un podcast présenté par Laurent Carilla qui parle d'addiction, souvent de toxicomanie, d'alcoolisme, mais il y a aussi d'autres addictions comme l'addiction au sexe et tout. C'est très intéressant. Ou un podcast qui s'appelle Symptômes. Et en fait, ça parle de maladies assez folles qui sont arrivées à des patients et à des docteurs. Ça, j'aime beaucoup. Ensuite, j'ai ma petite boîte à lentilles, parce que je porte des lentilles et on n'est jamais à l'abri d'une poussière dans l'œil ou d'un truc. Donc, il faut toujours avoir ça sur soi, sinon, c'est mort. La journée est finie, finalement. Une lentille en moins et mes clés, quand même, pratiques. Voilà, mes petites clés, un petit porte-clés Paco Rabanne. Et voilà. Efficace, je voyage léger, toujours, le strict minimum. Donc on a vu mes indispensables. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé et puis à bientôt.